Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel and make it on your iPad. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So this will work exactly as it would on your iPhone, just on a bigger screen. All you'll need is two apps. The YouTube app, which you can find right here on your phone, and then you're going to go ahead and install the YouTube Studio, which is usually named as YT Studio, this app right here. So, once you make a YouTube account in general, you are already making a YouTube channel basically. So when you click right here on the YouTube app, it directs you to the normal app, but when you click on the bottom right, you can see it says you. And so from here, it means that you already have a channel. Even if it's the most basic, you still have already a place on YouTube, because anyone can make uploads and videos. So on your iPad right here, you can then click on Edit Channel, and then you can customize it. You can add a description, your own name, different photos, and anything you would like to customize your channel to be just yours. Now, this is very basic customization because it's only in this application. So, if we go outside of this app, and then we switch to YouTube Studio, you can see that from here, once we load the account, we can just click on the one that we have just signed into. And you can see right here, this is the full dashboard of our channel. And now from here, we can just click on the top right, and you can see customize for the channel right here. And once you click on the edit button, then you will get similar options. And so you can also customize your home tab and how it looks for other people. And so once you have that done, you have officially made your account. And so you can start uploading videos. By pressing on the content, you can then click on create, and then you can start uploading videos to it, and that should solve it for you, and now you have your own YouTube channel. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.